Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar sauce. Start by whisking egg yolks, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and anchovy paste until smooth. Slowly drizzle in olive oil while whisking to form a stable emulsion. Finish with grated Parmesan, cracked black pepper, and a splash of water to loosen as needed. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or anchovy for a perfect balance that pairs with crisp ramen or grilled chicken. Gather your ingredients before you begin for an easier process and fewer interruptions. Use fresh egg yolks, good olive oil, anchovy paste, Dijon, lemon juice, and grated Parmesan. Keep a little water or olive oil on hand to adjust consistency. A pinch of salt and freshly cracked black pepper finish the sauce. If you prefer a lighter version, whisk in a tablespoon of yogurt or use less oil and a splash of water. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like your food and choose durable, darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, because comfortable feet make cooking more fun. I put a link and a few deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters more than speed when making Caesar sauce. Patience yields a silky texture. Always start by combining egg yolks, lemon, mustard, and anchovy to form a stable base. Add oil in a very slow, steady stream while whisking constantly to build the emulsion. If it starts to separate, whisk in a teaspoon of hot water or a fresh yolk to bring it back. Finish with Parmesan, adjust seasoning, and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.